You stand at the crossroads, faced with choices that will shape your future. It's in these moments that success is born, not from chance, but from your decisions, beliefs, and unwavering passion. Success begins with a decision. It is the choice to pursue a path not because it is easy, but because it aligns with your deepest aspirations. It is the courage to step forward when others hesitate, to commit to a journey that demands resilience and fortitude. Every successful individual has stood where you stand, faced with the uncertainty of the unknown, and made the bold decision to move forward. Belief is the fuel that propels you on this journey. It is the inner conviction that you are capable, that your dreams are achievable, and that every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Belief is not mere wishful thinking, it is a powerful force that transforms vision into reality. It is the voice that encourages you when the road gets tough, the anchor that keeps you grounded when challenges arise. Your belief in yourself and your mission is the cornerstone of your success. Passion is the fire that sustains you. It is the deep-seated enthusiasm that drives you to wake up each morning with purpose. Passion is what keeps you working late into the night, honing your skills, and pushing boundaries. It is the relentless drive that ensures you give your best, even when the odds seem insurmountable. Passion transforms obstacles into opportunities and setbacks into lessons. Your success story starts with you. It is crafted by your decisions, strengthened by your beliefs, and fueled by your passion. Embrace these elements, and you will not just reach your goals, you will exceed them, leaving a legacy of inspiration and achievement. Remember, the power to succeed lies within you, waiting to be unleashed. Make the choice, believe in yourself, and ignite your passion. Your journey to success begins now.